Tá radio fáilte ag sú mór le bheith ag na himachtaí agus ag tafada agus a críla beo an seoladh a bheith siúil ar an géad lá. Deadmór freisin támas ag sú go mór leis an ihe lán filiocht scéalta agus óran a bheith an ómas na glúiseachta carta sibelta.
Speaking of Tommy Holland, I'm looking forward to the Féile in Carraige. It's kicking off on Monday the 1st of October here at Lorna. I'm looking forward to going to the Spring Hill Festival film and discussion, which is on at 7 o'clock on Monday the 1st of October.
The kind symbol of Nunagi are to march and dar lad to me yuri for a garfer chanahar na man or bubble faginia o he brave afraid of his corporate bubble the Andrew Murphy come the gay of his icing learning.
Smish Evie, Smish Orla, Emery Star Club or Tunde or Star Skull. They didn't could you the last sport film a Carraige, one skill in the month's gonna a bit of kitchen back or in dar lad therefore.
My name is Bree Spoil. My mommy Joan Conley was murdered on 9th of August 1971 along with 10 other people in Bellamurphy. On the 3rd of October you'll get a chance to see the film, the Bellamurphy president.
We've onsaft a couple of partner at the Féile in Carraige.
The Magic Albert seminar for this earth question of the video.
One of those goals so when you could learn a speak on him. We've more cut the L in the Carraige or Katie and Trihula or shot the club. When we go dash in the skull of his car fighter of Dini Hacht. Of his estate the skill piece.
Línea Brasnack and Sasta agus Brado Savet Parkshak Lilin Féile in the Carraige. We Virginia in Gordon Mona in our trauma station once again or in Kugu lad the me Yarrowford. Be on you'll be in the Carraige.
And I'm Harry Conley from Culture Firstly here. We promote to develop West Belfast as a tourist attraction. Féile in the Carraige has grown over the last number of years into a key part of the culture and events calendar.
Tá sé galanta sib a galig le bliantúil Harry Holland atá ag tarlaí ar an ceapaí lá a bhí ar for an Jardine Seoladh in seo sa Géalana agus fé Dr. Matt Collins a caint faoi déanamh an phobal agus glúiseach na Garth Sebalta agus cumáine sin fé Paul McGann ag Carraige ar
A special part of go journey out to Brim McConaughey Gilligan. Mar his the Ellen Carraige and the Ockage special there show a couple of mechanical fake. Anya here lad of the Euro 40 in a club. Panel special there are full of Tannis or Conaughey Gilligan. And then after long with Colonel Sheridan, Kennedy and Conrad was ear up around the high grade Ethan coming. Big unit, activish.
We as the Freshman VG team are glad to be part of this year's Féile in Carraige.
Tá Virginia an fearn áige Uachtar Clooney ag gaigrí Emma anna pobl na Carraige Bhaine éiste tuirmí Gníúga an bhfuil si tágtach dóibh ar an infinite agus níosfach available.
In Bliana, Kermit amach lower nua for star Féile football. Féile voices the community memoirs of the festival Féile football. May he agus McCoglaki make up Pierce. In Katie and Trihula me Yuri for the Seoladh the North Shore the Gil and the Gil Biggie Lynn.
Ar sacran an Seoladh me Yuri for they tree sar econologin a company Donald or Bunker na Carraige Bhaine. Bei Caitlin, bei Seoladh album ag Barry agus Laura Kerr agus an Talling Natural Chief Mac.
So, mar cod déile na Carraige be mé híonn seán na Muragain am an canse le Féile agus scríbneoirí eile agus be sin ar siúil insa Catalán ar an Seoladh den bhí seo. Gur an míle maith.